Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use WooCommerce to sell food online. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and make sure WooCommerce is installed and activated. Then go to Products and click Add New. Start adding your food items like burgers, pizzas, or desserts. Add clear descriptions, prices, and images for each item. If you offer different portion sizes or toppings, set them up as variable products so customers can choose options. You can also install plugins like Restaurant Menu by WooCommerce or Food Store for WooCommerce to make the ordering process easier. Once your menu is ready, go to WooCommerce settings and open the shipping section. Set up your delivery zones or pickup options. Then connect your payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal to accept online payments. And that's it now, you know how to use WooCommerce to sell food online, just like a restaurant delivery system. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.